I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Razorpay account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Razorpay account. Start by visiting the Razorpay website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the sidebar menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Find the account closure option. In account settings, scroll down to find the account closure section. This is where you can initiate the process to close your account. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After submitting your closure request, check your email for a confirmation message from Razorpay. This email will confirm that your account closure is being processed. Remember, once your account is closed, you may lose access to your transaction history, so make sure to download any important data beforehand. If you follow these steps, you should be able to close your Razorpay account without any hassle. Good luck!